game-changing technology that we're launching to position ourselves 30 years ahead from any other anti-aging or wellness company outside are this. First is actually age-long vitality, will target the genes from the inside, which is not yet available sa country, siguro baka mga year-end, and these two technologies, the galvanic spa and the biophotonic scanner. Let's actually discuss one by one. The first one is the galvanic spa. Have you heard about the term galvanic spa or first time? Okay. It's actually not new. Siguro it's almost 60 years already na discovery na ginagamit talaga sa cosmetology. When you ask to some dermas outside, they have it, yung kasing laki ng typewriter or ng mga laptop, tapos medyo may roller at the end, tapos pinaplug siya. So parang yung tao niluluto lang, no? Kasi parang ini-stove, diba? Pero what the company did, since we're into innovation, not everyone kasi can spend 3,000, 5,000 isang higaan para lang bumata. What the company did is actually they make the galvanic spa na instead na kasing laki ng isang backpack, kasing laki ng cellphone. Okay ba yun? The same benefit, only that it only doesn't irons out yung wrinkle head to toe. Kaya ngayon sabi niya is 10 minutes younger, 10 years younger in just 10 minutes. Okay ba yun, di ba? So, we know people right now, di ba, if they have the chance, they really want to look better. It's not about vanity na actually because when you look better, you feel better, right? And you can perform better kahit sa trabaho, sa pamilya, why? Kasi medyo may confidence ka na sa sarili mo eh. Di ba, medyo kaya mo na makipag-eye to eye contact kasi you feel clean. Yun yung pinaka-importante, di ba? So, this one is actually being used already by these celebrities. Okay ba to? I don't think yung ex-boyfriend ko na si Brad Pitt, familiar, di ba? He will use something that could compromise his skin. Same as si Vincent na Nicole Kidman. Sabi niya sa isang magazine, hindi daw siya magre-red carpet unless naka-galvanics pa siya. So if you ask me, maganda ba yung products, I perfectly believe. Kasi kung ako nga ito na di ba? One more pa to, di ba? Di ba? Kasi you're Hollywood stars So I don't think talaga, what's good lang talaga with the company, we don't have endorsers. That's the business side We are the walking advertisement here. Only that, these personalities, na-i-share lang nila. Alam niyo yung mga minsan ambush interview, yung medyo titingnan ka, anong sikreto mo, pag kinalkal yung bag mo, meron lang nakitang wrinkle iron sa loob ng bag niya. Okay ba yun? And that is exactly our galvanic spa, diba? So I'll be playing you a very short video para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea, paano ba yung 10 years younger, 10 minutes?
Well, turn back the clock.